Not a usual arrival by an international team for two reasons. This is the women's basketball team representing one of the most volatile cities in the world, Mogadishu, and women at that, coming from a society where women are supposed to be seen and not heard. And this is the imagery that comes to the minds of many when Somalia is mentioned. And training for the Mogadishu girls has been under these conditions. It's a country that has been in total chaos for almost 2 decades now. This team might be ill-prepared for a regional intercity basketball tournament in Nairobi, but as Simsim Farhia tells us, their number one goal will not be to take to Mogadishu the trophy, but to change the image of their country.
We are here to win. Winning for us means letting everyone know that there are girls out there in Western Mogadishu who can bring it on.
Their first match is a tough assignment for the Mogadishu girls. They are playing defending champions Nairobi, an experienced side with 3 international players. But the Somali side proved to be a determined team, giving the Nairobi team a tough time and a run for their money. Mogadishu girls are the first to score a point, and they dominate the first part of the match, scoring more points. But a well-prepared and experienced Nairobi team wins the match. Indeed, a good show displayed in the presence of Somali fans, mostly refugees living in the country, who came to cheer their team, a breather from news of endless fighting back home. 3 other matches await the determined Mogadishu girls. It is difficult to imagine that the Somali side has only been training for 2 weeks under threats.
Our training was disrupted time and again, and for us living on the Al-Shabaab-held district of Mogadishu, we had to flee to safer sites for the love of the game.
Mogadishu is not all about mortar shelling and gun firing. The scoreboard at the Nyayo Gymnasium may be indicating less points to have the Mogadishu girls take the trophy home. But what's for sure is that the Mogadishu girls have scored enough points to put across the point to warring factions back home that working as a team, despite clan and ideological differences, is the solution to ending the misery that is Somalia. Yasin Juma, NTV.